Here's another one of our projects. So prior, this used to be a plastic tub insert with the plastic surround. Weird kind of leftover tile floor that they used, and the really weird vanity they had here before. So we tore that out. Oh, and it used to be pink, which is kind of crazy. So again, you see these beautiful post and beam ceilings running all the way through. We tore this out and did a massive 36-inch niche for them, as you can see in there. Really nice high gloss finish, easy to clean. Put our tub in, and then we have our beam work. Came around the beam, had to make that nice cut all the way around there. Little corner beat in the corners because we just didn't want to see that crack if there was any movement or anything like that. And then to the ceilings. Some of that dirt was annoying me, but it's from the other person that used to did the other bathroom. We repainted everything. Put in a really nice floor for them that kind of, you have your wood plank look, but it's not too, doesn't play off way too much, which we didn't want to make it too woody looking. Again, we have your marble countertops here with a nice vanity. We have an LED mirror, one of the coolest mirrors we've installed. So if you see this, see, bang, how cool is that? So now you have a mirror if you really want to get close up for makeup, or if you're shaving your face or trimming your beard, whatever. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We really like those. You got your Edison light bulbs. Yeah, pretty neat bathroom, and this is their hallway bathroom. We really liked how it turned out, and this is one of our favorites that we've done. And I'll also add some pictures of the before of what this used to look like, and huge transformation.